మేడం మాట్లాడదా ఆయన మాట్లాడదా?
Good evening, everybody. I very much thank everybody for accepting my invitation in attending this program and sharing your experiences. My journey started from 1984 and ended today in official life. For all my sectors, whatever all we told all this time, for all these sectors, I can proudly say one person behind this is my wife. But for her support, I would not have reached this stage. Otherwise, had it not been there, I joined as clerk, I would have returned as head clerk. That's all. One incident I want to tell. Basically, since both are employees, we made up my mind not to take any promotion. Since it is a transferable job, it is very difficult. Every time we may not get help. It is very difficult. You cannot stay differently for a long time. So, with that intention, I have decided not to take promotion, so that to give better life to children and all. So, in 94, I went to Bangalore, Palanka Police, for personality development training conducted by Professor Jodekar, Agriculture Institute, Padmanabhar. Training is completed on Saturday. Before that, there was a promotion survey. Apart along with others, I was just like that I applied for promotion. Just like that I applied. So training is completed Saturday. Sunday was promotion test exam was there. So for me I applied for housing though. I was forced to stay back in Bangalore on Sunday to attend a housing inquiry in Bangalore head office. Along with me, other people, my colleagues have come for writing exam. 5 people from regional office attend exam. Sunday, I went to training center just to wish them for writing exam. So my training, after the training program comes on Saturday, if whatever I stay back, I have to stay at my caste. Somebody suggested, having been applied for promotion test, why can't I just attend so that he can get clear cut for Sunday also. Accordingly, just I entered the examination center. I started writing. Just immediately, I am not with some my colleagues have 1 week in advance they have prepared for exam, but I am not at all prepared for it. Basically, I was not intended to take promotion. So I went into examination hall. Immediately I cannot come, at least half an hour we have to stay there. I just turned the paper and all questions, it was easy. I have written all the paper, whatever the questions are, I just completed. It is, after announcing results, other course, only one person, myself, I succeeded in the exam. This I shared with my wife, what to do. This is exam, she is told, God is there, you go ahead. Prepare for interview. After taking her consent only, I have prepared for interview. Fortunately, I will be promoted as officer. So, had it not been told by her to go ahead, I would not have come this stage. I would have retired as head clerk. So, you not only for entire my service, in each and every stage, directly, indirectly, she is supporting. She is also banker. She understood what is the nature of work, what is the responsibilities. She practically understood. She has allowed me. She has taken extra stay and allowed me to continue contribute to the bank late hours and all that. This is credit goes to my wife only. And I am taking all this pay. So So with regard to branches, so when I visited branches for majority visiting for audit work, I was area operations head. Before that, I was identified as mentor. Apart from regular branch, the mentor concept between regional office, some people identified. I was also one of the mentor. So I have assigned 3-4 branches. Apart from my branch, I have to take care of operation issues of other branches. In that way, I became successful. Subsequently, after getting promotion, I have been identified as OSH. So, as the OSH area operations service center, I have visited many branches. My intention is for all of you see, apart from for any banking industry, not only financial business, operation is also very equally important. Health of the bank is also important. After IND takeover, operations are given much importance. Even both operation and the business should go hand in hand for a healthy success of the branch. So in that direction, for any audit and I used to treat all the branches of my branch. In that direction, I used to support branches day and night, anytime, around the clock, anytime I used to support whatever clarification there. I used to attend branch queries. So in the, as and when we visit branch, for whatever, whenever I sit late sitting around, it's only in the interest of branch, not with any other intention. See, normally branch people will be busy up to 5 o'clock. After 5 o'clock, they will be free. So in free time, they have to make use of. I have to make use of their time after 5. In that way, I used to ask them. I mean, some of the people are voluntarily sitting late hours. I can very well stay back and claim another one. They stay back there and claim Dia Bata. That is not intention. Whatever this is, some branches have taken positively. They used to call me, sir, when you are coming, when you are for Hindupur, Dharmar and Mahbubnagar, some other branches, bombs are very positive. They used to call me, sir, when you visit the branch, so that up to the dress stage, branch will be clean, so that we can start it next day. So up to date of my visit, all the operations should be pakka, and make it pakka. So they will not be, there will not be the scope for identifiable mistakes. Since the audit was attached high importance in the bank, so I given much importance for operation issues, address operation issues. Then in Anantapur, apart from operation, I used by sitting in counters, I used to generate business. Then I qualified for 2 politics. Same branch I promoted 3 promotions in the same branch. 3 times I have been awarded retail and award. So for all these things, family support is very much indirect. Family support is very much there. So today I am completing 36.5 years for this. It's very difficult. I'm mentally not prepared how to spend time from tomorrow onwards. So in this connection, I want to salute all the bosses from day one, from under whom I have worked. From first branch, Mr. K. Ramchandramurthy, my first branch manager in Kollega. Second branch is Mr. C. V. Bhagavat. He is also from Kollega. Third branch is Mr. B. S. Prakash of Vijaypura. Fourth, Mr. K. V. Harnaka of Anantapur branch. Then P. Pichaya and Balaji Prakash in the same branch. Then I have worked under many regional heads. G. P. Rajgopal, J. Mohan Kumar, P. S. Ratnam, Meda Ramakrishna, K. S. Ranjanayulu, P. Madhavarao, N. Subbarao, K. Omkareshwar, D. Mudran Gupta, B. V. Suresh Babu, P. Dinendra Kumar, K. V. Venkateswar Rao, K. Subbarao, M. Chinnappa Reddy. All these are mentors. because they cooperated and supported me. But for their support and cooperation, I would not have come this position now. For the organization given maximum support, same thing I have reciprocated. When my intention is, I just followed one philosophy. Work is worship. Work is worship. You should work for organization, not for individuals. Hard work never go waste. Definitely, it is result. It will fetch. Same thing I percolated. Same thing I nurtured to my children. They are followed. Hard work never go waste. That's the only best. You should work for organization, not for institution. Definitely, it will fetch. I thank you all for expressing their greetings on this occasion. I once again thank Mandana for all the bosses, our supervisors, for all the visiting colleagues, customers, friends, relatives. All the way, I want to thank our General Secretary, who is all the way came from Machilipatnam, traveling 800 kilometers for my sake, taken all the place. I thank you very much, sir. Then I will be failing in my duty if I do not thank our newly reported regional cluster head, Navi sir, Mr. Chandramohan branch at Andapur, Mr. Chandramohan Reddy of Kapatam branch, and all the colleagues. I thank you once again, one and all, for greeting me. I once again for all the branches. My support is always available to the branches. Anytime you can really call me. Whatever clarification, if at all required, I will provide. If it is not there, I will arrange solution. Thank you.